California RV Outlets presents another high-quality, outlet-priced RV. Family-owned California RV Outlets is proud to be your home for all of your RV and travel trailer needs. We are the newest RV dealer on the Central Coast, and we aim to revolutionize the RV shopping experience by offering easy-to-understand pricing with no hassles or gimmicks. From our website to our physical location, we strive to make every aspect of your RV shopping journey easy. So come see us today to experience a different kind of RV dealership. Never pay retail. Get outlet pricing today at California RV Outlets, where you can always find quality RVs for less.